Hiya, in this video I'm going to be taking this ornamental apple that I got from Poundland and I'm going to be giving it a makeover. So it's just going to be a really simple makeover, but I've been seeing these online recently and everyone's raving about them. I don't particularly like them that much, so I'm going to give it a little twist so it actually is something that I like. And it being only £1, I thought if I muck it up it's not going to be too bad, it's not a waste of money. So to start off with, I'm going to take some tape and I'm just going to only need a small bit because I'm just going to cover that little bit that sticks out the top. What's that called? That thing. Yeah. Anyway, mine's just gone blank. Yeah, so I'm going to wrap some tape around that so that don't get coloured because I'm going to spray paint this. I was worried that the spray paint would maybe be runny or I'd have to prime it first, but I've just got this tin. It was £1 from Poundland and it works surprisingly well. So I just thinly spray this on. You may need a couple of coats. This actually took only one coat and it dried really quickly. I was hoping for it to be a really bright red, but this actually is a nice red. For an apple it looks kind of realistic. It's a bit kind of glittery, so not too realistic, but it's a really nice colour for an apple. So I carefully made sure it was all covered. You don't want any pink showing through. These apples also came in grey as well. That's another colour I do not like. I hate grey. It seems to be everywhere at the moment though. Yeah, so spray this. No pink left, and I just left it for a dry for a couple of hours and it dried really quickly, and this is what it looked like. It actually looks nice like this. I do like it as it is just sitting like this, but I'm actually going to turn it into a Snow White poisoned apple. So I've then just got some 3D craft paint. I didn't get this one from Poundland, but you can get it from Poundland, and quite a lot of craft shops in the range does them as well, just for £1. Different colours, different shades of green and stuff. So I've just got a 3D one, so when it dries it's still quite puffy. Some of them flatten a bit once they dry. So I just cover the top in this and it's done. Kind of looking all gloopy like. Wish I had looked a bit smoother on top, but didn't come out too bad. I wish the eyes were a bit bigger as well. So let me know what you think and let me know if you made one or if you've done something else with these apples. Thanks for watching. Bye!